In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a Zoom meeting. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues from around the world, connecting with friends, or managing a virtual event, mastering the basics of hosting a Zoom meeting is essential. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, start by navigating to the Zoom website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing zoom.us into the address bar. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, you'll see a sign-in option at the top right corner. Click on this Sign In button to proceed. If you don't have a Zoom account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, let's move on to the next step. Next, you'll want to sign in using your Google account. This is a convenient option if you've already linked Zoom with your Google credentials. Just click on the Google button, which will redirect you to a Google sign-in page. Here, you should see a list of your Google accounts. Select the account you want to use for hosting the meeting. If you're not already logged into a Google account in your browser, you'll need to enter your credentials. After successfully signing in, you'll be directed to your Zoom profile page. From here, you have the choice to either start an instant meeting right away or schedule a meeting for later. An instant meeting is perfect for ad hoc discussions, while scheduling is ideal for planning a meeting for a future date. If you are choosing to schedule, select the Schedule option and fill in the details such as date, time, and participants. Once your meeting is set up and ready to go, the next step is to manage your participants. To do this, start your meeting and look for the Participants button on the meeting interface. Clicking this will open a sidebar where you can see a list of all attendees. This sidebar is a powerful tool for managing who is in your meeting, allowing you to mute participants when needed or remove them if necessary. To invite others to your meeting, click on the Invite button found in the Participant sidebar. This will bring up several options, but for quick sharing, click Copy Invitation. This action quickly copies the meeting details, including the meeting link, into your clipboard. From there, you can paste this information into an email or messaging app and send it out to your desired attendees. That's it. You've successfully learned how to host a meeting on Zoom. With these steps, you should be able to seamlessly connect with others and conduct productive meetings. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy hosting!